What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today we have another outstanding video in store for you. We're going to talk about another one of the coins that we have been bringing to you guys over the months. But before we get into our coin of the day, first, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, you guys have seen Bitcoin have been trying to break out of its sideways activities and movements and momentums that it have been in over the past weeks. Currently, Bitcoin is at $69,686. That is great. We know yesterday we did touch the $70,000 mark, so we're expecting to continue to head in the upward direction. I'm looking for Bitcoin to really start to break out. I'm looking for Bitcoin to break its previous all-time highs, getting past $73,000 and heading to the $80,000 mark. Once Bitcoin break out, it really gets aggressive. It really starts to run. We're seeing so many altcoins in the background. They're having their turns. They're taking their turns, pumping, running, so forth and so on. Bitcoin will eventually step out and start to make its next leg up as we continue to journey and make our way, continue to climb it through this 2024 and 2025 bull market. Currently, the Fear and Greed Index is at 62. Yesterday, we saw the Fear and Greed Index was at 60. So folks are seeing Bitcoin start to increase a little bit, touch the $70,000 mark. So they are starting to relax. They're starting to chill out and calm down. Now you can see the sentiment of the overall market start to increase to a more of a positive greed level, increasing by 2 ticks to 62. Nonetheless, that is great for the Fear and Greed Index to be going up, because as the Fear and Greed Index goes up, we know the market goes up, our prices goes up, and most importantly, our portfolio goes up and increase. Also, the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is at 53.2. We was in 52.9, in the 52% range. Now we're in the 53.2 because we did see Bitcoin have a little bit of a boost. So that's just something that we keep our eyes on. No big deal one way or the other. That's just something that we are keeping our eyes on. That's something that will teach us something along the way. We'll see the Bitcoin dominance start to decrease right before our eyes, but it's good for us to watch it every day and see how it plays into the overall movement of the market. Now, let's get into our coin of the day. Our coin of the day is SWFTCoin, SWFTCoin. Currently, the price of that coin is 0.0053. This is the number 902nd largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. The market cap on this coin is very small. The market cap on this coin is $21 million market cap. We've been in this coin for several months. We've been buying this coin since it was $4 million market cap or $5 million market cap back in 2023. You know, you are seeing a lot of the cryptocurrency coins starting to pump in the background. You got coins like Not Coin. You got coins like Dog to the Moon. All these coins are pumping. They're blasting, going out of control. But you know, these coins are near $1 billion market cap. Some may already be $1 billion market cap. So if you want to impress me, bring me a coin with this $20 million market cap and hold my hand and watch me as this coin goes to $1 billion market cap. So if you want to impress me, hold my hand and watch these doggone coins as they go to 100x. These coins, they will make profits. Not Coin, Dog to the Moon, but don't bring that coin to me when it's 1 billion, 2 billion, when it's already blown up. Show me some coins that's at the bottom that got a chance to develop, that got a chance to really allow my portfolio to make massive gains. And that's what your boy Stock Holiday have been doing, bringing you so many small cap coins while they're beat down, while nobody's talking about them, while the market caps are $15 million, $20 million, so forth and so on. So that's what you get by watching the Stock Holiday channel. So SWFTCoin is the new coin that we've been talking about. This coin have been around since 2018. It's already been through the bull market of 2021. Now, one of the most important things that we need to pay attention to, the all-time high back in 2021, which was the previous bull market, was 0.007. So currently we're 0.005. We are real close to breaking the previous all-time high from the 2021 bull market. And that's real important for us to note, because once it breaks that all-time high from the 2021 bull market, then guess what our next target is. Our next target is to break the all-time high from 2018. The all-time high from 2018 is 7 cents. Currently we 0.0053. All we would need is a 13x and we will be at all-time high. Now that's very important for a coin this small. This coin is $21 million market cap. So if it was to do a 13x, it'll be at the all-time high. You're talking about just a $260 million market cap for it to reach all-time high. And we understand when these coins reach all-time high, that's when they break resistance levels. That's when they break the ceiling. That's when they start to go parabolic. So for a coin to get to $260 million and start going parabolic, then you know this coin will be on its way to going a $1 billion market cap. That's why I say bring me these coins when it's low. Well, I got a chance to do a 100x. So this coin, $20 million market cap, for it to do 100x, you're talking about a $2 billion market cap. This coin, SWFTCoin, SWFT, the acronym stands for Smart Worldwide Financial Technology. You know, this is one of the, Lord. This is one of the coins that's been around, like I said, since 2018. We understand what's going on with the spot Bitcoin ETFs. The FIT21 bill just passed, which is the Financial Innovation and Technology Act of the 21st century. All these things are going to play a great part as they connect and correlate with SWFTCoin, Smart Worldwide Financial Technology. So place this coin on your radar. This coin will be doing great things. This coin will be able to take your portfolio to a great level. Like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. And like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.